All right, y'all, welcome back to the channel. Got an exciting episode today. Fishing our first ever kayak tournament. I got it loaded up on my old utility trailer, but we're fishing with River Region kayak anglers this morning. It's their Alabama River stop number 2. It's 5:28 right now, and takeoff, or you can put in and take off whenever, but you can't start fishing until 5:30. So I got about 2 minutes, and I'm sitting here waiting on them to open up the gate to the dang boat ramp I want to use. So looks like I'm gonna be getting a little bit of a, they're supposed to open up this gate at 6 o'clock, so we're gonna be 30 minutes behind everybody else. Either way, it's gonna be a fun day. My first kayak tournament. We're gonna learn something new, we're gonna try something new, and most importantly, we're gonna have fun. So y'all stay tuned. Hopefully we can bring some money home at the end of the day. Y'all wish me luck. All right, y'all, we've got the boat in the water. Please come here, gotta have you. Let's go. First fish of the tournament right there. All right, y'all. First one of the tournament, little 14-incher on the board. Yes. All right, y'all, there's number 2. Nothing crazy, but please. Please, 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 please. Please come here. Yes! Yes! Y'all, I'm hooked up on an absolute giant. Please stay hooked. Please stay hooked. Oh, that's a big one, y'all. Big one, big one, big one, big one. Let's go! Woo! Oh my goodness, let's go, y'all. That is an absolute giant. Let's go. In the tournament, baby. Woo, let's go. Thank you, Lord. Oh my goodness, thank you, Lord. All right, let's get the release on this big girl, y'all. Thank you. And there she goes. Yes, let's go. Freaking 6-pounder in a tournament. Let's go. All right, guys, so this is what I caught those last 2 fish on. That's a black and blue 3/8 ounce Guggen. But I've just been, you know, casting this thing around these trees. I just started fishing this jig and I caught those 2 nice ones. So yep, they want a bottom bait. There was another one just that fast. I'm definitely gonna be probably fishing this jig all day now. Woo! Let's go. How about that right there, y'all? Hey, hey, hey. Woo, baby, let's do it. Let's put him on the board right quick. This is probably gonna be about a 19, 20 incher right here. Oh, came off. Dang it. That would have helped. There's another one. There we go. That's gonna help. Oh, that one's got it good. There we go. Yeah, that one will help. It might. What do we got? Right at 18. That one may help. All right, 18 incher. Another a good one, y'all. That's a thick one right there. Look at him, he's peeing. Ah! Well, this little old rage crawl is still hanging on. It's that same black and blue, and that's the same exact rage crawl that I started with this morning. I have caught every fish today with that one rage crawl. I'm telling you now, they're the best crawls out there. Alright y'all, just got done editing the video and realized I never recorded an outro, and just want to apologize. I know I didn't really talk much or explain about what I was doing during the video. I was just so locked in on the tournament, you know, trying to catch 3 big fish, and you know, like I said, I was just locked in and didn't really take the time to talk to the camera like I should have. But I fished a couple different sloughs. The first place I fished didn't really pan out like I wanted it to. It was way too blown out, had too much current, rolling through it for the big largemouth to be in there like I needed. So I went down river and tried a few different little backwaters and found one that had some nice fish in it. I fished through there one time with a big Colorado blade spinnerbait, just slow rolling it around all the cover. Caught a couple small fish, missed one, but I quickly realized that wasn't what I was gonna win the tournament on. So I ended up fishing a black and blue jig, doing a lot better. But there was just a little small captain's meeting after the tournament. There wasn't a full weigh-in because, you know, kayak tournaments go by length, not weight, so we didn't have any fish to weigh in. But just show y'all this right here. I see that at the top, Scott Lalone. I came in first place and big fish. Yeah, there you go right there. 3 black bass, rank 1, and longest bass, rank 1. So I got the dub, big fish, and first place overall with 59 3/4 inches, and my big fish was 22 1/4 inches. But unfortunately, I didn't read the rules entirely before the tournament, and one of the pictures I posted on Facebook after the tournament, I'll show you that picture right here as well. Right here, this photo right here. I posted that photo on Facebook and it got reported to the tournament director. I did not have my life jacket on for the duration of the tournament, and that was against tournament rules. It was in the rule description ahead of time. It was completely my fault. I just didn't read it, so I got disqualified after I had won the tournament and everything, made it through the captain's meeting, made it back home, and the tournament director called me, told me what was going on. So it is what it is. It's completely my fault, but either way, still had a blast, you know, getting to meet some new people, getting out fishing with river region kayak anglers. It was a great time, and I look forward to doing it again. They have some more tournaments coming up that are, you know, a couple hours from me, but still within my range of where I fish. So y'all look forward to seeing some more kayak tournament videos in the future, and I appreciate y'all taking the time to watch the video. And don't forget, we're coming up on 250 subscribers fast, and once we reach 250 subscribers, I will be doing another giveaway. So if you're not subscribed to the channel already, hit that subscribe button, like the video, and you may win the giveaway. You never know. Appreciate y'all watching. We'll see you next time.